As outdoor gatherings transition from sunny days to chilly evenings, the right patio heater can transform your space into a cozy oasis. Imagine enjoying a warm evening under the stars, your friends and family basking in comfort, while the cool night air fades away. In this video, we'll explore the best patio heaters on the market, diving into features, styles, and energy efficiency to help you select the perfect addition to enhance your outdoor experience. Let's make every moment outdoors unforgettable. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Sunjoy Avanti Outdoor Heater, the best budget patio heater. Need warmth on a budget? Sunjoy Avanti Outdoor Heater serves up cozy comfort without breaking the bank. This tower-style propane heater excels among its competitors with standout performance and a thoughtful design. One major advantage is its ability to warm a generous 8-foot radius, making chilly evenings much more enjoyable. You'll notice how quickly it combats the cold, letting you linger longer outside. An easy on-off function makes it user-friendly, perfect for newcomers to propane heaters. Initial assembly might test your patience, but it pays off once you have it set up. A wheeled base allows for effortless movement, ensuring heat reaches every spot during your gatherings. Flanges let you place it securely on grassy areas, removing any worry about stability. What impresses me most is its consistent heat output. Extensive testing revealed that this heater maintains warmth even on cooler nights. While assembly can be a minor hurdle, the comfort it provides after is undeniable. Sunjoy Avanti stands out as the best budget patio heater available, combining affordability, functionality, and reliability. With so many options out there, this model offers a winning solution for outdoor warmth without financial strain. Check it out to see how it can elevate your outdoor gatherings. At number 4, we have Hampton Bay Heat-Focusing Propane Gas Patio Heater, the best design patio heater. Stay warm outdoors with the Hampton Bay Heat-Focusing Propane Gas Patio Heater. This innovative unit outshines many other propane heaters with its adjustable reflector, allowing you to direct heat precisely where needed. One standout feature is the user-friendly lever that adjusts the reflector effortlessly. Being able to customize your heating experience means you can enjoy cozy warmth exactly where you are seated. Although the lever may be placed a bit high for some users, this helps prevent little ones from tampering with it, adding a layer of safety for families. Whether you prefer a quick burst of heat or a more gradual warmth, this heater has you covered with its 2 settings. The high option delivers almost instant warmth, perfect for those chilly evenings. Meanwhile, the low setting provides a soft ambient heat that makes outdoor gatherings enjoyable without overwhelming intensity. Wheels improve mobility, making it easy to reposition the 74-pound unit. Moving it becomes simple on flat surfaces, although navigating grass may require a little more effort. This minor challenge doesn't overshadow the heater's overall convenience. What I love most about this model is its ability to create a focused heat experience, making late-night gatherings a delight. While that high lever placement may be a slight inconvenience, it's certainly manageable. For a stylish outdoor heater that genuinely excels in design and functionality, check out the Hampton Bay Heat-Focusing Propane Gas Patio Heater. Still searching for the perfect patio heater? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have EnerG Plus Electric Patio Heater, the best electric patio heater. Stay warm outdoors with the EnerG Plus Electric Patio Heater. This reliable heater provides a quick and efficient way to heat your space during cool evenings. Standing over 50 inches tall, it effectively warms you from head to toe, even when sitting down. Unlike smaller tabletop units, this tall design ensures everyone gets cozy. Its 2-button remote is a convenient feature you'll appreciate. Control the heater without leaving your comfy seat. The first click sets a gentle 500-watt heat. A second press ramps it up to a medium 1000 watts, and the highest setting reaches 1500 watts. This versatility makes it perfect for any gathering size. Weatherproof construction lets you keep it outside without concerns about rain. Enjoy stability in light breezes, thanks to its 18-pound build. Setup takes about 23 minutes, but assembly diagrams can leave you puzzled. A Phillips screwdriver helps finalize the process, ensuring your heater is up and running. A minor downside is the remote's storage option. While it comes with a shelf, it can easily fall off. This slightly limits keeping everything tidy. However, in general, the EnerG Plus offers an excellent balance of performance and convenience for small get-togethers. Expect reliable heat where you need it most, making it one of the top choices among electric patio heaters. Check it out further to see how it fits into your outdoor setup. At number 2, we have Amazon Basics Outdoor Patio Heater, the best value patio heater. Stay warm and cozy outdoors with the Amazon Basics Outdoor Patio Heater. This propane-powered heater truly stands out, offering remarkable value that outperforms many other models. First, its impressive heating capability radiates warmth up to 9 feet away, making it perfect for your patio or near the grill. You won't have to worry about those chilly evenings again. Safety features like the auto shutoff valve give you peace of mind. If it tips over, the heater automatically turns off, ensuring safety during your gatherings. Additionally, its ETL certification confirms that it meets high safety standards. Mobility plays a major role in its design. Built-in wheels allow you to easily move it around your outdoor space, giving flexibility for any occasion. Changing the setup based on your needs enhances your outdoor experience. With 6 finishes available, including stainless steel and a delightful blue-green hue, styling your patio to your taste becomes effortless. One minor drawback occurs during assembly. It can require a bit more effort than expected. However, once you have it set up, you'll appreciate its effective warming performance. This Amazon Basics Outdoor Patio Heater delivers exceptional features, convenience, and safety, all at a great value. Reliable and stylish, it surpasses many similar products. Check it out to experience warmth and comfort like never before. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Hiland HLDS01 GTCB, the best patio heater overall. Warm up your outdoor evenings with the Hiland HLDS01 GTCB patio heater. This stunning piece not only looks impressive, but also delivers on functionality. Its unique glass tube design draws you in and creates a mesmerizing ambiance as the flames flicker and dance. Emitting a remarkable heat increase of 11.72 degrees within a foot, this model stands out among competitors. Staying close guarantees maximum warmth, making chilly nights enjoyable. Experience a cozy atmosphere reminiscent of a campfire, perfect for gatherings with friends or family. Controls on this unit simplify the lighting process. You'll spend less time fumbling and more time enjoying the warmth. Many traditional heaters can feel clunky. However, this design offers a sleek, modern look that enhances any patio space. Mobility adds a bit of challenge. Being heavier than some alternatives makes transportation less secure on rough surfaces. While this may not be ideal for everyone, it ensures that the heater remains stable during use. Brightness might overwhelm some users, since it illuminates areas significantly. Consider adjusting seating arrangements to manage the light effectively. Despite a couple of minor hurdles, Hiland HLDS01 GTCB provides both style and efficient heating. What truly sets this patio heater apart is its stunning design paired with impressive performance. Ready to elevate your outdoor space? Explore the Hiland HLDS01 GTCB and enjoy your patio any time of year. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best patio heaters. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which patio heater you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.